Hey you guys, this is the Lexus dude. This is my alarm clock and it has multicolor LED nightlight colors. I'm going to show you guys a video of it with the different colors on effect. So please leave a like and hit that subscribe button and also leave some comments as well. So let's get started. First color is, this looks like a white color, but I don't know what it would show on your guys' end, but on my end it shows it's a white color. This is the red color. Here is the green. Here is the blue. This is like a turquoise color on my end. Here is yellow. Here is purple. And that's just standard color. So please leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and also leave some comments down below and let me know what you guys think of my alarm clock with multicolor LED lights. Thanks for watching, and this is the Lexus dude. Be sure to hit that subscribe button as well, you guys. Take care. Peace.